All right, let's try this round two. Let's try this round two. See if it echoes over and over and over. Let's see if this works this time. Check, 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 check. Check, 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 check. Okay, we should be good now. Okay, we should be good now. All right, guys, I believe that we should be solid now. Was good. How'd I like the new Iceman album? I spent almost no time listening to it, but I mean, there was a few songs that were right. Very minimal time was spent on another grown man's music for me. However, it was all right. Was good, everybody. Good morning. Top of the day. I had to get my streaming software figured out so I could come on live with y'all. Ranked 109th. Let's go. Was good, everybody. Knee done. You're crazy. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. What is good, TikTok? This live stream is not financial advice. This live stream is simulated trading only. Everything said here is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Let's get it, everybody. Good morning. Good morning, everybody. Top of the day. Top of the day, baby. Check, 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 check. I got that. All right, good. Sweet. Had to get my whole new setup all up and ready. So now we should be good. I don't recommend getting a new computer if you're in the line of streaming. Not the most fun thing to set up and redo literally everything. Good morning, everybody. Top of the day. There very well could be a very nice giveaway coming for y'all today. That is a real possibility. What's good? Good morning. Juan Don is here. Mr. Juan Don. That's what they call me. That's what they call me. Don't wear it out. I'm leaving. I'm finally back at home base, guys. I haven't traded from home base in 2 weeks. It's been like 2 weeks, my guys. All right, there we go. Got that. Good morning, everybody. Where's my Mexican friend? He's busy this morning. That being said, that's a good reminder. As a good reminder, I need to order some coffee. We're not going to have pay done in service until we can get coffee ordered. What up, Team Bull? What up, what up, what up, what up, what up? What up, Team DOD? What's good, what's good, what's good? I think could do 2 good trades could be done. I hope so. What's good, everybody? What's up, money team? So what's happening? I'm so happy to be back with y'all. Finally, actually at home base. Well rested, at home base. I think all those beautiful things call for us to get a banger. All of those beautiful things call for us to hit a banger trade. I think it's time. Do I have contracts in? No. I don't have contracts in, whatever that means. Contacts? I also don't have contacts in. Let's get it, yo. Come on. I am live. What's up, Team DOD? How's everybody doing this morning? There we go. What's up? Girl with now. What's up, Yodar? Good morning, everybody. Top of the day. Where's everybody at? Where's everybody at? Happy to be a bounty next round. Yeah, I think it's fun. I think it should be cool. Makes for some good competition. Bro, Shy led the league in no categories and somehow won the MVP. Just unreal. There we go. Screen share should be on now. Led the league in no categories. Yeah, somehow won the MVP. Crazy. For some time, can't stop staring at those ocean. I would have preferred Victor Wembanyama before Shy. Come on now. That's crazy. Yep. I met Wemby in person. No, I've actually never seen Wemby play. That's one of the players I have not seen yet. I would love to, but I have not seen him play yet. It's almost game time, everybody. Yeah, how about your Pistons? Your Pistons are hurting. That was ugly. 30-point loss in an elimination English game is crazy. Yeah, I would love to see the Knicks go to the finals. That'd be awesome. I'd be down to see that for sure. All right, guys, as a reminder, it's just going to be me back now. So if you turn your notifications off before, it's time to hit those notifications back on YouTube. Press that bell icon and press all. I'll be live every single day now. I know y'all love the world's greatest yawn master, Mr. Gene, but your boy is back. The league wanted Cleveland, so now it's a conspiracy. Now it's a conspiracy, huh? Y'all, if y'all didn't see, Lucid is 50% off right now. That is right, 50% off. Y'all got to tap into that sale, man. Only 2 accounts per person, but that is a heck of a deal for one of the top prop firms in the game. Only $92. $92 for a 50K Lucid Pro. With no activation fee. That's crazy. That is highway robbery. Highway robbery if you're looking for a good, cheap account. The 150K is like $185, which is bananas as well. Yeah, Duran didn't play well current at all. Not even a little. All right, so let's go see what we have cooking for today, guys. So I talked about this a little last night, but we're going to run it back through today. If we start at the weekly chart here, you'll notice we had a very weak candle, which at this point we're trying to buy back up. We still have about 400 points left here. But typically speaking, what I'd be looking for on this weekly is I'd want to see us have more downside before we move back up. And the reason for that is you guys look at this candle here, rising volume on the weekly with a reversal doji. That's typically a very good sign. You guys should be able to hear me. Yeah. It's typically a very good sign that you're going to see some pullback before continuation or extension. So for me, I'd love to see us come find some support in this 28,000 area. I mean, do we get it? This market's been very tough, so it's tough to say. However, that's what I would like to see first. Breach this low right here, and then work our way down to low 28,000. However, if this ends up being our higher low, and we break above this 800, I think it's very fair to say it's almost certain we have magnet target of 30,000 hit. So that's my main watch. In terms of the larger timeframes for the NASDAQ this week, there's not a whole lot that you can do at all-time highs, especially on the higher timeframes. So, that said, oh, whoops. I probably can't hear you because I'm on a new computer and my sound's all messed up. All right, now talk. What's up, dog? How's it going, bro? You've been killing it pre-market. Yeah, then giving it back there in the New York. Then giving it back. And I think it'll be a solid week. We seem to be respecting technicals well so far. I hope so. I think it's a very real possibility. I got faith in it. Bring in the energy, baby. You know what it is. All right. I'm ready. Ready for market. Let's get it. It's DOD time. Time to choose discipline over cheap garbage, self-destructive, self-sabotaging dopamine. Let's go. Yeah, Ronda Rousey, 17-second submission was nice. I just want to give you something to believe in. All right, everybody, let's go. It's about time for us to get this stream rolling. It's about that time. Monday's here. Actually, the sun is not shining here. It's extremely rainy. Y'all see my garden I got planted? That was tough. It was very tough. I think that we could see a bounce too today. Let me go over to my, I don't know why I still have my daily chart up. Potentially around this VWAP. I'd like to see VWAP at a lower at like 250, but could offer us a lower high down here, or a higher low, excuse me. In addition to that, it's also right around this 50% retracement from pre-market. So I think if we're going to continue this uptrend, that could be a nice spot to look for that higher low bounce, and something that I'll personally watch too. Got to get our numbers up, bro. Where'd everybody go? I leave for 2 weeks and everyone forgets I'm streaming. Everyone breaks their discipline. Where's everybody at? And where's everybody at? Come on now. Better not be breaking your discipline while I was gone. We got the real ones here. I'm like, damn, we got like 400 people here. Usually we got like 800 people by this time. Where's everybody at? Sleeping? Come on. Yeah, we got everyone who's really changing their life with DOD right here. No, I get it. I mean, for trading, a lot of people choose, and I'm very thankful for me as their mentor. So when we had someone else on for a week and a half, I get it. Not coming. But now your boy's back, so it's time to get back on the train. Come on. Mic is not echoing. I think that's probably on your end. All right, trade of 8. We got 3 more minutes till open, everybody. Three minutes till open. Everybody made money and went and bought a Lambo. Yeah. Something like that. I'm in the early stages trading mostly SPY/QQQ, but it's always cool to see the DOD in action. Let's go. Let's get it. All right, got that set up. All right, we're good to go. We are good. Yes, sir. Let's go. Yep, let's get it. Good morning, everybody. Happy Monday. It's a good time to trade smart, trade safe, stay focused, and lock in your discipline this week. That's how you become a successful trader. It's not about complex strategies. It's not about secret strategies. It's about finding your DOD and implementing it every day. Let's get it, y'all. Yep. Finally back at home base. Didn't get a notification I was live today. That's weird. If you have your noties on, did you not get notified? Did anyone with their notifications on get notified? That's the question. Oh, him either. Maybe that's why. Maybe it was an issue on YouTube's end. That makes sense then. Huh, that's odd. That's probably why. That makes sense. That's why it's a little lower today. People just don't know. Yeah, that makes sense. I wonder why it didn't do that. It's weird. All right, guys, let's go. Let's focus up. Let's wait the first 15 minutes. See what we can get. We have our NASDAQ up. We have our now we have our 1 minute in our 5-minute charts. Let's get to the money. What a privilege it is to be here and trade today. That's right. That's right. That's right. That's right. We are ready to rock and roll today, everybody. What do you say? Yeah. Okay. Dun. All right, let's get it, y'all. Let's make some magic happen today. Chris is like my. I was just reading a comment in chat. Chris is like my ideal definition of a divorced dad. Mid 2000s Cobra, diesel truck, playing guitar, hunts, and has a suspicious amount of income. That's good stuff right there. See what we can get. Maybe I'll just try to stay out of my own way and let Jdun drive today. Let's go. If you guys didn't see, I'm hosting another free live training this coming Thursday. Another free live training this Thursday. If you've been to one of my lives, you know how those go. You guys know how the value is in those. Free live training. I just posted the free live training link in the chat. I'll also pin it as well. Send out. Oh, let's get this money moving. I love fib retracements. I'm a big fan of fib retracements. Suspicious being the key. It is. Y'all are funny. Finally back on the live stream. I missed y'all. Finally back at home base. Back at home base. Let's see what else we got cooking in our charts. I say this every day, but I've been watching more individual stocks as well. Do we still have any option traders hanging around here? You got any OG options on this neck of the woods? A few. All right. All right. We got some life in here. Options. Wow. We got a lot of options here. That's actually surprising. We'll take it. All right. Maybe we had to get some option trades ripping again. Let's see, 29,100. 8 a.m. orb. I don't really use the 8 a.m. orb. It's not really something I use. I mean, I've seen people use it, but it's just not something that I have personally used a ton. So it just depends. Yo, as a reminder, TikTok, I'm also live on the tube as well if you want full screen share. Jdun Trades. You can also go get the free live training link. I'm hosting another free webinar, free live workshop this coming Thursday. I'm going to break down my entire strategy, the same strategy that's made me 6 figures plus in payouts and 7 figures plus in my live account. Done live in front of you guys every single day. So tap in, come get yourself some education, and let's go. Yoder, he seems like he's always been nice to me. It's been a whole 9 minutes. Are you ever going to call me? Call a trade. Jdun, please. I need a trade. Trying, bro. Just got my cousin to sign up for your free training. It's a good cousin. Nope. Coffee's here too. I'm going to grab my coffee. I'll be right back. Then we can start ripping trades. All right, we're about to be caffeinated. Now we'll be good. So let them rip. It's almost game time, baby. Let's go. That's hilarious. Do you want one of these? Or do you want this? Oh, you can keep the Atlas. You want the Atlas? Oh, you don't. That's right. Daily signal blaze. Jdun blaze. How's your morning been, Mr. Gene?
Good. It's cold. It's really cold. It's been like this all week.
I know. I've seen that. You see my garden yet?
No, I just took the trash out.
I planted a grip of stuff. I got to get that second bed, though. Yeah. I'm growing some. A lot of these people that watch me that get mad at me when I talk about the pots would probably like that. You're the only one to know who really shows how to trade correctly. I appreciate that, bro. Jdun, will you ever have a training for evals and prop firms? Well, everything I teach, you can use for evals and props. All right, we almost have our 15-minute range in everybody. So I'm hoping this gives us something worthwhile. Can also watch this 100 area towards pre-market low for a bounce. I will watch that as well. Our pre-market low is 50, but if we can find some support in this like 100 to 50 area, down like in here, find a reversal candle in here, I'd like to see us. That could give us a really nice move back to the upside. So I will watch that as well. What do you say? Maybe if we see what I want to see. Oh. I got my coffee, so I shouldn't be yawning much longer. You gonna trade New York today, Gene? Nice. Let's get it.
That's a good steak. That's more good.
Brother, do you see that madness over that stupid AP swatch thing? It's like there's this collab between this company called Swatch and AP for this like $400 like hanging. I don't even know it. What do you call it? Pocket watch. And people were like fighting, bro. It was like a Black Friday back in the day before everything became online. Like people fighting over a $200 TV. Bro, like war. Just absolutely insanity.
I didn't go Black Friday shopping even before you could order stuff. Before you could order stuff online, I still didn't go. Didn't pay me enough to fight through the crowds.
You guys didn't fight anyone over the 26-inch Hisense TV at Walmart in 2011, and it shows. Yeah, it's still a swatch, unfortunately.
Yeah, I guess everyone just trying to resell everything, skip everything.
Yeah, it's crazy. We trade futures and options here, primarily futures, but you can use the education you get on options too. We have a lot of options traders, surprisingly. Surprisingly, a lot of options traders. Yo, YouTube was being kind of weird this morning, guys, with telling people that subscribe to the channel that I was live. So make sure you double check right now on your stream. Click on the little bell icon by my name and press all. Make sure your guys' notifications are clicked on. I get on live early every day, help you guys get prepared for the day, give you guys every trade that I take, win, lose, or draw. It's live for you guys every single morning. So make sure you guys have your notifications clicked on so you don't miss the next live stream. Yep. We sure are.
Close above, I consider long term. This ripple, this one close below the rest of invalid. birthday, Najee. No,
Man, I thought I was going to get a strong close there.
yeah, I did too. He's gonna take some loans. Can everyone hear me? I just want to make sure.
I can hear you. Usually if I can hear you, the rest of the chat can hear you. Yep, same deal, everybody. Get those likes up. If you're on YouTube, you hit that thumbs up button. If we get to 500 plus, you guys get a giveaway. I got a lot of Tradeify accounts to give away, and same deal with TikTok. You guys get to 110K. Tap that screen over and over. You guys get a giveaway too. Let's go. Dun, 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 dun. I typically actually look for a retest up here for shorts. It's a little sketchy in this market, but what's the midline? Let's see what this candle does up here. Yeah, look good, huh? Let's see, we're touching that 50% retracement. So I was looking for maybe a move up to here and then reject. I like to see those moves a little lower into the candle. I mean, this is pretty high into that trend-setting candle. And we're breaching the top of this previous higher volume candle. So I'm not quite inclined to try it yet, but could possibly give us something. We'll see. Jeez Louise. ES is going. ES is cooking. $56, $230. All right, guys, staying patient. Waiting. I did see that. It's pretty crazy. You know, if you have some good bread to put down a car like that's not that. I mean, it's hard to get, but it's not impossible.
What is it?
Like just talking about an influencer that bought a Bugatti. You know how much an oil change is on those bad boys?
2000.
Mm-mm.
4, 5.
Well, bro, you're talking like on some models like 20K plus. Yeah, like 25K for an oil change.
Changing oil.
Yep. You're talking like 25 racks on some models to get an oil change, bro. Yes, on an oil change. Yeah, I'm not gonna short this, guys. I'm not shorting this right here. It's time to rip some ES again. You don't like ES, huh? Which is interesting because we really only used to trade SPY.
No, then I started trading yes, but this stopped working. I don't know. I can't get the groove trading. No, it just seems like everything I take goes wrong the other way. I can't believe the oil changes that much. Crazy.
Isn't that wild?
I know something else that's expensive.
I can think of a few things.
Having $2. They are expensive.
Guys, just wait and stay patient. It is Monday, which is traditionally my least profitable trading day. So just gonna wait, stay patient, wait for an A+ setup to confirm, and see what we can get. Overall week. NVIDIA is weak today, too. Got a few of these big tech names that are weak. I have not taken a trade yet. Nope. We're almost to our 30-minute reminder, though. Almost to our 30-minute DOD reminder. Ho, 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 ho. What is pushing the S&P up so heavily? We don't really have any strong individual names. Meta's just above opening, but the rest of the major names I've looked at, Google's strong today. I don't think that's the sole reason, but Google is strong. The Google chart cooked. If we had higher volume on this previous 5-minute candle, I'd almost look for a pullback and then longs up on ES for this orb. It actually looks good. That said, we don't have the volume I'd want to see, so I'm going to, at least for now, hold off on that. Everything else looked good though. Like if we pulled back to like 4.7, 440 usually, like this like 437 area. The setup itself actually doesn't look half bad, but I would like to see a little stronger push there.
I think I'm gonna do a vacation soon, Jdun.
Yeah, you should.
We post all the fishing pictures got me. I was talking about my oldest daughter will be grown. I'm still in my 30s, and my youngest is almost 40. So all my kids will be raised. How will you be when your boys grown?
Oh, yeah, I haven't even thought about that. Old. Coming from my bounty. Yeah, I'm in that. You'll have the chance if you make it past the Tradeify's first round to come at me with a bounty. Come beat me, win $5,000. And it was, I think the entries are over, but it was free to enter. He's not even 3 yet, so 15 more years. I'll be 45. It's crazy. I'll be an old man. Y'all said I'm unk right now. Man, I wanted to see this rejection, but none of this just didn't make no sense. None of these candles made sense up here. The idea was right, but it's just none of this technically made sense for how I like to trade. See how we react to like 100. We also potentially have a downside setup forming too. If we see this candle close strong down here, look for retest back up, stops above like 250 maybe. And put a decent amount of risk on this candle, but like 200 area for entry, stops above like 245, 250. We'll see how it plays out. Interesting. I'm going to watch for this 200 area for a short, everybody. I'd like to see us pop up to like 200 area. So I'm going to watch for in here. I'd like to see a short entry on 200. I'm not think they're going to give it to us. There's just way too much risk entering down at 160. And now we went and made new low a day, of course. Still going to watch for this area. I don't love that we went and just swept low a day and are rocketing back up. That's a little concerning. But I'll still watch for the 200 area short. I still think there's a chance that we get that. See, I'm watching. I don't like that we swept that low a day and then moved up. So I'll let you guys know if I take it. I have not taken anything yet. Whenever you sweep a previous low like you've seen here and then move up, it's a lot less likely to get the move. I would have wanted to see us move up, find the lower high, and move down. Right now, it almost looks like we just want to hold this zone here, sweep that low again, and then move up. So we'll see. No shorts, everybody. Just waiting. Right now, we're ranging back and forth. Where the range low is here, range high up here. We'll wait for us to get an A+ setup. If we hold this, you can almost look for a reverse orb too for a demand bounce and rip up, but just going to wait and see, everybody. Going to wait and stay patient. It's been 30 minutes. This is your reminder to choose DOD. Choose discipline over cheap, garbage, self-destructive, self-sabotaging, and tempting dopamine. The same dopamine that's held you back in your trading for days, months, maybe even years for some of you guys. We'll find a good winner. Right now we're ranging. We're still in this 15-minute range. Building a base here with trouble getting past this point of control up here at 290. So let's wait and see what they give us. Now we're holding this demand very, very well. It's the last 15-minute candle. This ES actually looks good to the upside right now. We just confirmed back above our orb high here. I don't necessarily love the orb trading ES, but this candlestick structure with this 5-minute candle, rising volume here, push up, higher low mid actually looks decent. I'd rather seen it push a little bit lower, but it doesn't look horrible. Doesn't look terrible. Still no trades. I'm looking at potentially taking a long on ES. I don't hate that setup. I would have wanted to see us come a little lower, but I don't hate the idea of longs on ES. We'll see. See what this candle and this structure gives us, but setup looks all right.
You like Jdun?
Potentially longs on ES, but right now we're just ranging. Unless he caught that bottom, there hasn't really been a whole lot of trades. As of recently, that's what's been hitting is these demand bounces and supply rejects. That demand hit on Grisology too, on ES.
It's hard to have a high stop loss as large as the candles are.
Yeah, as a reminder, TikTok, if you guys want the full screen share, you can tap into YouTube. Jdun Trades. Sometimes the graphic gets off here, but it's never off on YouTube. Jdun Trades, full screen share. Man, I like the longs down here on this ES. We just about touch VWAP with a 50% retracement. I think we can get a nice move to the upside. What do you do when there's 10 confluences telling you to go long and 10 telling you to go short? You sit out. I think this was the spot for ES right here. We'll see. We'll see how this next candle does. This is going to be the real telltale. We're ejecting point of control pretty aggressively here, too, on the NASDAQ. We don't have a whole lot of volume behind this move, but there is. Yeah, Grizzly was going to ask you that. Why is there two different view ops on the Grizzology now? Oh. What moving averages are they?
You can adjust whichever one you want. It has a little previous
Oh.
timer in there. Whatever time frame you like.
Huh. This candle looks good for a reject here, but look at this. This volume's horrible. What is that?
Pre-market is between 4 a.m. to 9:30. You want to find Monday's tricky? It's slow. Jdun didn't like them like that.
Yep. Mondays were used to be traditionally my worst day trading, but for how I trade, trading trends, I just haven't seen a whole lot. This ES looked all right. This VWAP balance. This is going so far. If you guys did take that VWAP bounce there, I'd like to see us test up to like pre-market high for any sort of take profit. The Tradeify Cup. Yep, I'm an outlaw, so I'll be trading next round. Just for fun. Just for fun. Maybe I'll just go rip a mini of silver. Just full send it. Stay impatient, y'all. As a reminder, I'm also hosting that free live training on Thursday. If you've been struggling with discipline, been struggling with confidence, or if you're profitable and you're looking to scale that up, make sure y'all tap into the free live training. Don't know. I do my best every day to help y'all. I appreciate y'all using code Jdun. Lucid is 50% off, which is insane, might I add. They never do that for 2 accounts per trader. Apex 90% off. Tradeify 40% off. And then Vanquish for options trading is 50% off as well. I appreciate y'all supporting your boy. Always do my best to help you guys. DOD gang. Tradeify and Lucid have a few key differences, but they're both great firms. All right. Come on now. Mr. Jdun, why do you keep requesting me? It's not me. There's lots of fake me's out there. Not me. We're still stuck in this 15-minute range. At 8 a.m., Orb did do nice on ES. We killed it. It did do very, very, very good. Glad to be back with y'all, everybody. If you're on the YouTube, make sure you guys have your notifications turned on. A lot of people didn't get notified this morning. Make sure you tap where that bell icon is and hit that all button. So it tells you when I go live. You guys are $200, 200 likes away as well. You guys get 200 more thumbs up in the YouTube. I give away Tradeify accounts. 200 likes away, y'all. Come on. I know we got 200 winners in here. We got 200 beasts in here ready to run it up. Oh, they already do. For sure. All right, Gene. Come say hi, Click. Your favorite's back. I'll be right back.
Hello. Hello, everybody. Yep, it is me. What up? I think I caught like the only good trade today.
You caught one there in New York?
Yeah, I caught those longs when you were talking about them. I had a feeling that it was gonna retrace back up, and we were gonna chop.
Oh, a nice trade free market.
I take it super light though. I got filled at like 167.
Thick fill.
Yeah, decent fill. Really light, only 5 micros.
Have you had any issues trading the MNQ lately with the wick?
No, I don't put hard stops.
Oh, you don't put a hard stop in?
No.
I mean, I bet you would if he's on your personal one, right?
Oh, for sure. Yeah, but I say emergency stops, more or less. Like, I don't know, like maybe 10 or 15 points below where you want to stop out just as an emergency, but then still stop out if it gets to that area, manually stop. But yeah, on fundeds, I typically don't put a hard stop. I will if we're moving fast, but then there could always be some news. I've gotten messed around a couple times with that.
What did you say?
Talking about hard stops on funded accounts.
Oh, have to.
I
Must.
don't.
Really? You don't?
He doesn't. He's telling me that.
Last week though, I regretted not doing it. I'm gold.
I mean, you about have to leave a little more wiggle room in the MNQ because of the wick. Trading based off the NQ chart.
Oh,
Probably
yeah.
pushing down here back to see if we make a low day. I don't care which way we go at this point. Let's get out of this range.
Let's see if this gives us a setup. This thing, it doesn't look half bad for a short. Let's move up here to like 180 to 200 again. Come on, where's the retracements at? Retrace up and die. I want to see us retrace up to this like VWAP up here on 180 to 200 with stops like probably above like 240. Now we're gonna get low a day again. This market has just. Sorry, what? Yeah, it's just not been giving deep retracements. It's very interesting. Again. And we go take low a day out again, and let's see if we bounce now. It's crazy. Oh, let's see. So close to VWAP. So close to that rejection point, man. 50%, even a little lower. VWAP just didn't quite touch it. We got really close. We got like 5 points away, but not quite there. NQ did take out low day. That's what I care about. Oh, you just wait and you stay adaptable. I mean, it's not. Here's the thing: is I don't look at trading like something I need to do every day. If we have an A+ setup, I'll trade every day. But if the market doesn't give me what I want to see, then I'll wait. I'd love to see a bounce in this area. I'd love to see us come down more aggressively, hit a bounce. I don't catch falling knives typically. I like to see us sweep and retrace. This is definitely an area I'm watching, though, for sure. This is what I wanted to see, though. With this move down, I just want to see a bit higher retest up to VWAP, like 180 to 180 to 200, excuse me. I'm not in this short, man. I wanted to see us go a bit higher, like 5 points higher. Didn't really give much of a retracement up there. But this is what I was looking for, wasn't it? Move right to here. We got close, but not quite close enough.
Pretty down move.
Yup.
The volume on this candle is massive.
TPT or Lucid? I got to go with Lucid, man. I've heard too many problems with TPT recently. Man.
Getting some hourly demand here.
I know.
Market.
Thought about that too.
Biggest day point of controls at 974. We just hit it.
All right, let's see if this 5-minute candle can close. We still got plenty of time. We still got like an hour left to trade. Still got plenty of time.
I would love to see this demand confirmed.
Me too. That's what I'm watching for right now too. Is higher volume. I'm not sure. Even if we got a decent volume candle, like up close to this previous 5-minute high, we might get higher volume here. Actually, it's on the right path too.
Yep, 2 minutes left. We've got time. Let's hope it doesn't make a massive move up.
$100 points from that demand area. $100 Now let's see if we can get higher volume. We got 2 more minutes on this candle. If we do, I'm open to a long and a pullback. We'll see. It's the only time I would look for that. I'd like to see us have a higher volume candle, sweep this 29,000, touch that demand, and then move back up. There is a world where we retrace back up 50% of this candle too, but based on how this market's been, it's just a little sketchier. It's high volume, not higher volume, but it's damn near. I'm trying a small piece of longs on this pullback, guys. Tried a small piece of longs, guys. I tried a small piece of longs. Can add into 29,000 with stops below the low. Tried on that pullback down there. Come on, baby. I want to see us go above 75 for a trim. It's up about 30 points right now. Come on. Come on, baby. 40 points right here. 50 points right here, everybody. I'm going to trim right here. I'm trimming right here, everybody. I'm going to move my stops up to 30. Come on. Let's get this farther. Depending on your 30 to 40, so you have 40 to 50 points. I want to see higher, too. I want to see us go above this previous candle high and work our way into this like 100 area. Come on, baby. Push it, push it, push it, push it. I said longs 100 times. I could not have been more clear. Even if your entry's 40, 45, heck, even 50. The thesis is the same. I want to see it push into 100 plus. No matter what your entry is. We're at 80 plus now. I think we can go to 100 plus. 90 here. Come on. Let's move into 100. Thesis is still valid no matter your entry. 50, 40, 30. Even if you entered late at 60. I wouldn't recommend that, but come on, guys. Let's go. Come on, baby. Second trim spot right here. Make sure your stops move to break even. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Come on. There we go. Let's go, baby. Come on. This is exactly what we wanted to see. Yeehaw, baby. I told y'all we were going to get a winner. I told y'all we were going to get a winner, and we're still moving. Oh, my goodness. Look at this. I told y'all we were going to catch ourselves a winner. Let's go. Guys, I got a grip of Tradeify accounts to give away. A grip. I'm going to pick some winners from the Post Your Gains tab. I need y'all to go blow up the Post Your Gains if you guys took that trade with me. Y'all to go blow up the Post Your Gains inside the Team Bull squad if you guys took that trade. We're still moving. My final price target is going to be the high of this candle above this VWAP, above 180. What if we already blew it up? That's all right then. Money bags. That's what we wanted to see. I told y'all, now that we're back at home base, we're going to catch a winner. That's all it took was being back at home base. That's all it took for us. Being back at home base. So, all right, guys, real quick. Let's run it up. It's been 2 weeks since we've been able to run it up, guys. If you guys made money on that with me, type it out in the chat. 50 to 70 points depending on your entry. Come on, baby. I want you to type it in the chat. If you made money with me on that, could not have been more clear. Type out how much y'all made in the chat. Let's go. Come on. How much you guys make on that trade? 3K, 100, 335, 49, 750, 200, 662, 269, 4K, 435, 156, 396, 200, 800, 590, 200. Could not have been more clear, guys. Let's go. 800. We're still moving, too. Let's go. Money, money, money bags. Come on. I got 10 Tradeify 50K select accounts to give away. I will give away 5 of them in the Post Your Gains chat. All you got to do is tag me in the Post Your Gains. depending on your entry, 30 to 50, all the way up to 120. That is what I'll call. I'm going to pay out with that trade. A solid trade. Don't hit my 30. Don't hit my 30. Don't hit my 30. We'll take it. We will take it. We will take it. That's what we needed to start back off trading back at the crib. We'll give away some Tradeify accounts right now. Lucid is 50% off using code Jdun. It's a limit of 2 per trader, but they never do 50% off. It's a deal right there. That's a damn deal, if you ask me. Come on, push it up. All right, I scratched your back. Now all I ask is if you guys want to improve your trading. If you're looking to improve your trading, I need y'all to go tap into the free live training I'm hosting this Thursday. If you've ever been to a Jdun live training before, you know how it goes. I wanted to see us reverse all the way to the top. That would have been legit. Not sure we get it. A lot of times you will see us come and make that a retracement into that reversal candle, then make our way up for a V-shaped recovery, but maybe not today. That 2-bar would have worked on this this candle here too. The 2-bar would have worked with a short at like 100. So both ways on that technically worked. The retracement of this reversal candle, then also this 2-bar to the downside would have worked. And arguably, this 2-bar is going to go further now. We also had whole cycle number 100 too. I think both were technically valid. You had this sweep of 29,000, solid reversal candle with on par volume here. In addition to that, you also had this impulse candle here with a 2-bar set up to the downside. So both were technically valid there. The longs went like 70 to 50 to 70 points, depending on your entry. And the shorts are moving now too. So both were technically valid. Yep, I got 5 Tradeify select accounts to give away. If you guys made money today, I want you to tag me in the post your gains. I'm going to pick some winners. Oh, my stop's already got hit. Whoops. Stop's been hit. I don't know why it's still like this. I mean, that was still valid to have it there, but I got my price targets. I wanted to see a high of this or a test back up to VWAP. That would have been ideal. That would have been over 100 points. Is what it is though. I have 2. 2. I wanted to see us go up. I've been really trying to maximize my runners and hit some bigger trades. So I was a little disappointed to not see it go to my final price target, but is what it is. Yep, that retracement into that sell side candle here worked out really nice too, what I call a 2-bar. Yep. Would have entered one. I would have had a lot of risk on it, but still technically is working. How many of y'all signed up for the free live training on Thursday? Who's all coming? Who's all coming to learn and give themselves an edge in the market? Who's all coming to the free live training on Thursday? There we go. Thursday, 7 p.m. Eastern time. And for a quick roll call, if you've ever been to one of my live trainings and you got value, I want you to type yes in the chat. If you've ever been to one of my live trainings and you've gotten value from it, I want you to type yes in the chat. Who's all came to one before? You know we don't play around, man. I know your time's valuable. We're not here to waste it. So you guys can tap in right now. If you're on TikTok, you can go to the link in my bio. I believe it's already linked on my TikTok page. Yep. So if you click my profile picture, click it again, you'll see it on my main page. In addition to that, I just posted it on YouTube like 100 times. So his trainings are pure gold. No brainer. Come tap in, come sign up. Let's go. Damn, that's foul. Went down, took out my stop, then moved. It's all right.
This is what I was talking about when I was talking about the lower time frame. Performing it here from that big red candle down to this previous candle, we have 5-minute supply below. Plus, we hit hourly on that lower day candle. Just respecting that. Just look at here.
Right now, I wouldn't. I'd probably honestly, if I had to look for one position, I'd look for shorts here, but I'm not going to do anything right here.
Let's go make some more coffee.
Come on. I got my dad hat on. I got my my Turks and Caicos hat on that I bought on vacation. Maybe that was the key. I went out and got a Turks hat and we hit a banger. We might be onto something there.
I have a straw hat as well.
What?
I thought I seen you wearing like a straw hat.
You like that? That was my gardening hat, bro.
Yeah, I like it. I love straw hats. That's the old man hat though.
That was my gardening hat, man. I had to go check on my garden. I have to get my other bed done today. Gardening takes time, bro. It's like, so with my beds, Had to go in, add the compost, add the fertilizer, mix it all up like 6 to 8 inches, and then had to go through, transplant everything, and get each dampened a little bit so the roots didn't dry out. It was just a whole process.
Yeah, gardening's hard work for sure.
It's a grind. They keep calling me Juan Dunn. I like gardening too.
You're gonna be trending better before long.
Yeah. Construction.
Wish NQ would just make up his mind.
I'd have to go with, if I had to pick one, I'd go with shorts, personally. You see anything you like? You watch anything right now?
No, and that's not giving me any
Huh.
direction here.
Sailing down home. How in the hell is the leader of the Grand Cup up 26K off one mini in one day? Silver and gold are crazy things, my boy. It depends. Usually like a third. Sometimes if I don't love the trade as much, I'll do half. How's everyone's morning been so far? I'm not talking about P&L. I'm talking how has your execution been? How you guys all doing for a Monday?
Enough caffeine to fuel half the team goal.
Grizzlies refueling. Cash out. Man, Grizzlies, so my first day on vacation, my old computer just died. I had to get a new GPU, new motherboard, and everything. So, yep. So, I think it was like $4,000. Something. And all that to say is I had to set everything back up when I got here, and it was just such a hassle. Like today was my first day actually back, and I had to fix a bunch of things, and Get all the stream stuff set up. It's just a lot.
Oh, you mean one at home? Because he was on vacation.
At home, yeah, my home computer.
I thought you were saying he was on vacation. You're set up. Clean mine out. Yeah, it's been running hard.
I think that was part of the problem too, is I wasn't shutting it off enough. I'd let it run, and I'm gonna start shutting it off when I leave. Yo, YouTube, you guys need 100 more likes. 100 more, y'all hit that thumbs up button and you unlock Tradeify accounts. Come on, I want to give y'all some Tradeify accounts too. I don't want to just give them to Team Bull, to my private community. Come on, y'all, hit that thumbs up button. I know we got 100 more winners in here. Maybe you can recruit some help from TikTok. If you guys want to be a part of the giveaway, come on over to YouTube, Jdun Trades, and hit that like button on the stream. 90 more. 85 more. Yep, one winner today. Few winning ideas, but one winning execution. Yes, looks like it wants. But on a positive note, bought 8 evals using Jdun this morning. Well, I mean, I appreciate your support, but I want you to pass your evals and trade smarter than not just buy them. 60 more likes on the YouTube, guys. 60 more thumbs up. We got 400 people on TikTok. Come on, y'all. Come support the YouTube and come be a part of the giveaway. Come to YouTube now, Jdun Trades. I'm so annoyed I missed the trade. Why be annoyed, brother? If it's an A+ setup that's repeatable and consistent and high probability, it's going to come again. All right, let's go ahead and pick some winners from the Post Your Gains tab that tagged your boy. So happy to be back with y'all. It's so nice being back with all y'all. Back at home base, too. Practicing for the last couple weeks, and this trade delay is killing me. Is advised to buy the plan to get rid of it. You can join the premium for sure, and there's no delay. If you want to join the premium, I don't really talk about it, but there's no delay in premium. You get real-time alerts. I mean, YouTube has like 4-second delay, and so does TikTok. There's also a lot of benefits to being a part of the premium. So there's the link if you want to tap in, support your boy. I hope that I can give you a cup of coffee price a day and value. So if you want to join that, you can join there. Got a lot of really happy premium members that come and they don't leave. So I do have a private community. There's no lag in there. I'm also going to be adding some other benefits as well, too. So if a 4-second delay ruins your trades, you got bigger problems. Yeah, I mean, sometimes it doesn't matter, but sometimes it does. You know, for example, if NASDAQ's moving and I enter at, let's say, 29,000, and then you hear it at 29,020, that's a pretty big difference. You probably need to buy real-time data on TradingView for sure. All right, let's pick ourselves some winners of some Tradeify 50K select accounts. You know what I still got to give away too? I still got a big, the big one to give away too. I forgot they hooked it up last week. I have two 150K Lightning funded accounts to give away too. After using a discount code, those are $500 a piece. After discount code. I think we're going to give away one of those last today. I think we're going to give away one of those too. That's money bags. That's a $500 giveaway. Someone's eating today. Someone's going to be eating today. All right. Let's give away these select accounts first. Appreciate y'all being here with me and rocking with me. Today finally felt like I was back in rhythm. Like back at my home desk. I got my trading software figured out. I finally felt like I was back in rhythm for the first time in like 2 weeks. So I felt good. All right. Let's find ourselves some 50K select winners. First winner, let's see. Let's choose Pishion. Started implementing DOD and have not turned back. Payout locked in. Well, guess what? You're going to get another 50K account to potentially get daily payouts on with Tradeify. Congratulations. We got winner 1 inside Team Bowl. Let's find winner 2 now. Winner 1 has been chosen. Shout out Pishion, or however you say it. Piss on. No, not R. Kelly. What? All right, let's find another random winner. This one is going to be random. She wins 26, said winner with Jdun and Grizzly, 1,000 on the day. Well, guess what? You just won yourself a potential daily payouts account. 50K select winner. These accounts get daily payouts when you get funded. Congratulations on the win. That's 2 accounts given away. Let's give away a third. I love hooking y'all up. Love when y'all support me. Let's go third winner in the post your gains tab. Let's pick one. Let's see here. Let's find... And we got C. Barrett. Took one other trade this morning, second with Jdun for a massive day. 4,000 on the day. Well, let's add a quick another 100 to that with a free account. My boy, Tradeify 50K select winner. Congratulations. You got a code in your inbox. That's 3 accounts given away in Team Bowl. Let's get ourselves a 4th. Been rough recently, but stuck with DOD. Mayor, we're going to make it a little less rough, and we're going to give you a Tradeify 50K select account. My boy, here it is. It's in your DMs. I got you. That's 4 accounts in Team Bowl. Now let's give away a 5th, and then we're going to do ourselves an enormous giveaway. Damn, it's Beckmare's birthday banger with only 3 MNQ. No need for heavy size. We'll give our bro a birthday present. He's an OG2. Happy birthday. There's an account in your inbox, my boy. 50K select. Given out. Done deal. No, maybe we'll do both. Maybe we'll do both those accounts. No, we'll do one tomorrow too. If we next time we want to trade. Giveaway time, $500 value. All you guys got to do is emote my post in the announcements tab. That's all you got to do is emote my post in the announcements tab, everybody. That's all you got to do, baby. Yo, y'all are so close in the YouTube, guys. You're literally 12 likes away. If you're in TikTok and you're not on the YouTube, come on over. YouTube Jdun Trades. They need backup. We got 5 accounts ready to give out to the YouTube. You guys should be on there every day anyway, regardless. There we go. We got there, baby. Woo! Yes! Let's go. Remember to go emote that post in the announcements tab. As a reminder, too, right now, Lucid is 50% off. That is a deal they hardly ever do. Everyone got a Volt reload, so if you use code JDON, you can get 50% off 2 accounts. It's only 2 per trader. Only 2 per trader. Juan done, baby. Start gardening and catching bangers. That's right. I blew like 10 accounts before joining you. It depends what your goals are. If you're a beginner, I'd like really a beginner. Apex is nice, cheap entry, especially their end of day drawdown accounts. Overall, people have really been liking Lucid. It's been our fastest growing seller. All right. We're going to give everyone a few more minutes to emote that. I got like 12 more minutes on stream. In 12 minutes, we'll do the giveaway for the 150K Lightning Funded account in 12 minutes. That's when I'm getting off stream, so. Jaden, you're cooked if you get matched up with Razek and the Tradeify Cup dude's up 26K. Hey, I'm just doing that for fun. Tradeify asked me to do it, so I was like, screw it, I'll do it. But any trading competitions, they're all just fun, you know? Tradeify is a very good partner of ours. I'm very thankful to work with them. And they said, hey, you want to be an outlaw? So I said, sure, why not?
I'm watching this Asia low area bounce. Cool. Maybe just come on control again. Previous day.
What's the Asia low?
926.
All right. You guys better be ready with your Tradeify accounts open, YouTube. You guys better be ready with your Tradeify accounts open. That's all I'm saying. Because I'm telling you, with these codes, these people don't play around. We got some real snipers in here. I mean, they don't play around. Hello, Mr. Gene. What's up, bro?
Cold outside.
Is it?
It's raining. It's not. It's gonna do it all day.
My garden's gonna be happy.
Time to go get some
You go look at my garden yet?
Oh my god.
Go look at it, please. Gene won't even go look at my garden. Unreal. All right, YouTube. First code is up. First come, first serve. First come, first serve. That's a 50K select account for someone in the YouTube chat right now. One person's getting it. It's only valid for one person. And guess what? If you just missed that one, it's all right because I just put another one in chat right now. First come, first serve. 2 codes in chat right now. This second. Oh, but you said that wasn't enough? You said you want more giveaways, more game? All right, well, here's a third. There's a third right there in chat. Right there in chat, baby. Oh, well, you were too slow for that one? You were too slow for that one? All right, well, good, because we got a fifth one or fourth one right here, baby.
They're all dead.
What?
Everything's dead.
No. Shut up.
Really? One day?
I'd be so sad.
Your dogs dug it up.
All right, we got one more code to give away. We got one more code to give away. All right, I got something fun for everyone that's slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm gonna give everyone a fair chance here. I'm gonna post a bunch of random codes, and only one is gonna be legit. So for y'all snipers that sit there and copy and paste, it's gonna be let's see here. We're gonna try something new here. All right. Only one of these accounts I'm about to post is going to work. We got one dud with it. We got one winner within these. We got one winner within these. The rest are duds. All right. Let's see. Someone's getting the winner. There's 4 duds and 1 winner there. 4 duds and 1 winner. Hey, someone got it. Let's go. The 586 code was the winner, by the way. But the rest were just random codes I made up. Yup, yes, sir. All right, Team Bull, we got 5 minutes till the lightning funded giveaway. Yeah, 5 minutes till the lightning funded giveaway. If you guys want to join the lightning funded giveaway, you gotta be a part of the Discord. I'll post the Discord link right here. I just posted like 100 times. That's for the free Discord link, everybody. If you're in TikTok, you got to go over to YouTube to get it. That's where I do a lot of the giveaways anyway, is in the Discord. Yep, we're giving away Lightning funded, but they're gonna have to be in the lot in the voice. So we're gonna do it how we used to do it. All right, make sure y'all go hit that announcement tab. Also, make sure you guys are all signed up for the free live training this coming Thursday. This Thursday at 7 p.m. Eastern Time. All right, in 1 minute, I'm gonna pick the giveaway winner. In 1 minute, they're gonna have to be here though. We're gonna do it how we used to do it. I'm gonna call out their name, and they have 1 minute to DM me. You got 1 minute to DM me if I pick your name. As a reminder, I appreciate y'all being here. Appreciate y'all supporting myself, Team Bull. Damn, look at this. Move down still. All right. All right, Gene, tell me when to stop.
Stop.
What? All right, we got Yusef Parado, Yousefparado. You got 60 seconds to DM me. 60 seconds to DM me. The clock has started. I'm not going to tag him in chat. If people who stayed on get rewarded. Got to DM me in Discord.
Alright, Team Bull. We're approaching Asia Low. This is the last area I have. That's level 4 bounce.
If you see a trade grizzly, just please speak over me if I'm talking. Tell me to shut up. 20 seconds left, bro. Is not messaged. 3, 2, 1. All right, we pick a new winner. Bro didn't DM. Bro didn't even realize he just missed out on $500. All right, let's pick 5, 4. Tell me when, Gene. Wait, there we go. All right. Spencer Tillman. Spencer _ Tillman. You got 60 seconds to DM me to win a $500 Tradeify Lightning funded account. That is after discount. Spencer _ Tillman. 40 more seconds left. Go DM me here on Discord. Come on now. 30 seconds left. Oh, damn. Spencer hit it. Winner. He got the DM in. Let's go. Spencer with the win in a massive account coming your way. Congratulations, Mr. Spencer. That's huge. $500 on the day. He's got to be living. 150K Lightning funded. That's your code and your code only, baby. Nice job, bro. Congratulations. All right, guys. I'm going to mob off for the day. Grizzly, I'm going to make you host. You're going to stick on. Yeah? I'll make you host. I don't think you're listening, but... All right, Team Bull, I'm out of here. God bless y'all. Trade smart, trade safe. I'm also about to be uploading right now, too. If you guys haven't checked this out yet, make sure you guys go to my backup YouTube channel. I'm about to be uploading a student interview. Student success story. Let me get that uploaded before I get off, actually. Verification code. I just posted that student success story. Go show our boy Chris some love. Go show our boy Chris some love, everybody. Student success story is up. Oh, whoops. I need all y'all to go hit that like button on that student success story. You did not win a free account. If you didn't use it in time, then it wasn't yours, my boy. They're only valid for one person. These people are fast, man. People are freaking fast. But all right, y'all. I'm going to mob out for the day and go eat some food. I'll be back tomorrow morning, bright and early, 9 a.m. Eastern time. Trade smart, trade safe, stay focused. And I'll see you guys on the flip side, all right? If you accidentally bought an account, you got to be careful, fam. I've never heard of that happening ever. Ever. Usually it'll say code invalid. So just so you know, if you don't use my code, I don't get any credit for it. So I gain nothing if you accidentally buy an account. I gain literally nothing. I get absolutely nothing from you buying a full price account. Literally nothing. I appreciate when you guys use code Jdun. But if you guys get a full price account, that does absolutely nothing for me. I mean, like literally zero. So, all right, y'all. God bless. Trade smart, trade safe. I'll see you guys on the flip side tomorrow morning. Bye, everybody.